Here are the other painted pieces of the 1970 TransAm Resto Mod. Nose cone, upper valance, front inner fenders, here's the fenders with this side vents. And here's the hood with half of the grille installed. A little dusty, that's why it doesn't appear too black. Here's the front half of the custom 3-inch exhaust with 2 of the 4 mufflers. And the custom 4-inch aluminum drive shaft there. And here's boxes and boxes of some of my parts that have been archived during the paint process.
Okay. You have the inspector general?
Yes.
And what's so far?
I missed one piece.
Inner fenders painted black, the same as it matched the engine bay. This lower valance was supposed to be body colored too, so it needs to be sent back, but there's time for that. And I believe they're called rivet nuts that will be used to hold the fender flares on. So bright here, I can't really. Here we go. I think there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 rivet nuts going down each of the fenders. And we'll go over to the car itself and you can see the rear quarter panel. For the rear wheel well flares. Nice Camaro, painted real close to mine. Just a coincidence. Another new car into the shop. I believe Greg said this Malibu is going to be turned into a track car, so that should be interesting. Chevelle. Some eye candy for the Chevelle Club. Nice jet black Camaro.